I bet you this car's probably at least been washed through the car wash probably 100 times. But man, we're gonna make this paint look good. Let's go, boy! What up, guys? Jamie, Born Detailer. Shine, guys, we're here. I'm gonna do a all-in-one solo Meguiar's Professional. I'm gonna go ahead and see if it at least will do maroon pad, reflection artist, and the 3000 grit, if they'll take it out, and just see the overall performance and if I like it or not. There's been a couple of people that made some videos. You can say hand, DA, or rotary. I'm gonna go ahead and just do I'm gonna wet sand it, this area down. I'm gonna just do this actual area, get out these deeper gouges or deeper scratches and spider webs first. Let's just see how it goes, and we'll go from there. All I'm using, again, just Dawn soap in water, just to make it smooth, nice and slippery for my sanding. I like to go both directions. Got to get a nice firmer block on there to make sure you're getting nice coverage. I've heard good things about this polish, or about Solo. I used the original Solo back in the day. That was probably like 2002. No, probably like 2003, 2004. And I liked it, but it just got out of date. All right, so now, just got these scuff. I got these, there's still this scratch right here. I'm gonna go ahead and get that out. So right off the bat, I'm just gonna go ahead and use my 3000 maroon reflection artist cutting pad. It's freshly cleaned. I'm gonna shake up, see if there's an actual insert in there blocking. Smells chemically. I don't know what it smells. Kind of has like a blackberry berry smell. So now I'm just gonna put, I want to prime it, so I'm gonna use more. Get these edges. Kind of get it into the pad. No test spot. I haven't done, this is my test spot. So I'm gonna turn it on all the way down. I'm just gonna do side to side and up, down, slow, and then I'm gonna ramp it up to about 4, and then we can see how it goes. So I would say one pass, up and down, back and forth, real cycle. Let's just see how it wipes off. Nice wipe off. It's hazed up pretty good, but that can probably just be pad. I'm gonna go off it. I'm gonna go one more pass, but dude, that really cuts really good. So right off the bat, maroon pad, easily with Solo, take out 3000 grit. Just not a problem at all. I'm gonna hit this spot one more time and see if I can knock down a little bit more of this paste. Right off the bat, one thing that I really like about it so far is I really like it's low dusting. Like look, I'm welling on this. There's no dust. Low dust. You know, I'm kind of running it pretty hot too, but I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put a little bit more compound just here on my edges. Just how I like it. Just want to get these edges covered a little bit better. Priming your pad is like probably the main thing you want to do. The deeper your compound is into the fibers, you know, the better. Okay, so one more pass. I just want to see if I can get this clear. So a lot of the times when I'm doing a paint correction, I like to do like just a quick pass. After I do my actual pass, I want to just go over it fast just to kind of pick up any little loose ends on there. Really good. I'm probably gonna pad down. It cuts, definitely cuts. So let's go. Now I just want to hit that. I want to make this glass. Prime your pad. Let's get it deep into them fibers. Like I said, the only time you got to use a more compound or more polish is on that first, your first pass. People do it different. I do it this way. So I'm just gonna hit this spot real quick. So this is the pad. You can see that really deep, the deep shine, but look at that, low dusting. The working time's crazy. Look at the working time. I could have probably done this for as much polish I put on there and compound I put on. I could probably go do the whole side of the car. Crazy, really good working time. Cool, so now what I think the combination to this car is, since it's a medium, not really hard paint, softer paint, I'm gonna go ahead and load this pad up a little bit. Just some small dobs. I'm just gonna do 4 passes over here. So HDO, no sanding, 1 step. Solo, Meguiar solo, let's check it. I'm gonna hit it real quick. Like I said, we already know low dusting, it cuts 3,000, no problem. Most likely 2,000 would probably be no problem depending on pad. It probably is pad dependent, so let's just go. I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna go three times up and down and just see the different clarity from here, clarity to there. Okay, so now this is the 1 step, doing a few passes, 2 passes with the HDO and solo Meguiar. Just take this wipe. So that's a decent, from here, that's how it looked before. This is HDO, 1 step, and then this is wet sand. This is the wet sand, 3,000, 2 step, to here, to here. Dude, honestly, this is, I really like this polish or compound. I don't even know what the price was, but I bet you it's about like 25 bucks. I'll find out the price and link it in there. So Meguiar's all-in-one. It has SI, so it is a ceramic, beading protection, removes up to 3,000, so it does that. It does everything it says. Easy to wipe off and low dusting. That's what I like. Easy to wipe off, low dusting, protection probably gonna vary. But yo, what's up, boy? Born Detailer, Jamie Gonzalez, Shine Guys, we're out here. Go try this, it's a must. I'm probably gonna add it into the shop. We'll see how the durability test. If you guys want me to do a durability test, we'll go ahead and do that, but this is a polish station. I wanted to show you if it works. 3,000, no problem. I'm pretty sure really pad dependent. You want to pad up, you want to plop it on your rotary, it'll probably work too. Peace out.